Visual. Close-up of the mixing bowl set with the khaki color and airtight lids. Say goodbye to spills and leaks. The mixing bowls with airtight lids by Umite Chef make storage easy and mess-free thanks to their airtight seals. Visual. Show how the grater attachments work. These bowls come with 3 grater attachments. Slice, grate, or shred directly into the bowl. Less mess, more convenience. Visual. Mixing in the bowls, showing the non-slip bottom. H. Check out the non-slip silicone bottoms. No more slipping bowls while you're mixing, and they protect your countertops from heat. Visual. Nesting the bowls together for storage. Need to save space? These bowls nest together perfectly for compact storage. Visual. Dishwasher action with the bowls. And cleaning? A breeze. Just pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. But remember to hand wash those lids to keep them in shape. Visual. A hand grabbing a bowl from a stack. With 6 different sizes, you'll have the perfect bowl for every recipe. Plus, they come with kitchen tools like a whisk, spatula, and measuring spoons. Visual. Close-up of stainless steel bowl, focusing on durability. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these bowls are built to last, rust-proof and dent-resistant, ready for whatever your kitchen throws at them. Outro shot, all 26 pieces laid out. The mixing bowls with airtight lids set by Umite Chef, your all-in-one kitchen solution for mixing, prepping, and storing.